Hello and welcome to day 29 of my Python coding journey. On day 29 I learned about docstrings in Python. Python docstrings are string literals that appear right after the definition of a function, class, module. Python docstrings are similar to comments, but comments are ignored in Python whereas docstrings are not ignored in Python. Python docstrings are written just after the definition of the function but above the body of the function. They are used to document our code. We can use docstrings with the attribute doc. Next thing I learned about Puppet documents in Python. Puppet is a document that provides the guidelines and best practices to write code in Python. The primary focus of Puppet document is to improve the readability and the consistency in Python. Next thing I learned about an interesting fact in Python, that is the Zen of Python. This is the short poem of coding in Python that is highly relatable to the programmers who code in Python. So guys, this is it on day 29 of my Python coding journey. See you on day 30. Till then, peace.